Komori offers a wide range of service products, including performance restoration solutions that recover functionality lost due to aging, as well as renewal products for discontinued items. In this video, we will introduce a selection of service products specifically designed for web offset press. The first item is guide roller replacement. By switching to Teflon-coated guide rollers, paper feeding becomes more stable. This also contributes to improved register accuracy. Next is the renewal of the ED motor system. Replacing conventional induction motor with ED motor significantly reduces power consumption and maintenance requirements. Next is the renewal of the PLC system. The PLC consists of multiple modules, each with a distinct function. If even one module fails, the entire system may stop functioning, so careful attention is required. Next is drive clutch repair. Replacing the clutch ensures instant engagement, helping to reduce startup time lost during printing. Next, we introduce rotary joint replacement. If a rotary joint becomes damaged and causes water leakage, it can result in printing defects. To prevent this, we recommend replacing the rotary joint every 3 years. Next is harmonic drive motor and amplifier replacement. If a harmonic drive motor that controls the tension of the running paper malfunctions, it can lead to web breaks or tension issues, which may prevent printing. Next is the improvement of the lower nip roller. By replacing the delivery side roller with a steel roller, uneven wear can be prevented, contributing to stable operation. Next is the upgrade of the PQAW system. Support for PQAW ver 1.0 ended in December 2023. The upgraded ver 5.0 offers enhanced functionality, enabling more precise quality control. Next is the renewal of ink feeding and dampening motors and amplifiers. In some presses, they have been discontinued, and we recommend replacing to ensure continued stable operation. This is our LED lighting solution. Fluorescent lamps used in some operation stands will be discontinued in 2027. We recommend replacing them with LED lighting, which offers high color rendering performance and long service life. Next is the renewal of the PQC system. There are presses of which slot boards in PQC have been discontinued, and spare inventory is no longer available. This may cause a risk to stable operation in the future. We recommend upgrading to current models to ensure continued reliability. We strongly recommend planned maintenance to prevent unexpected failures and improve operational stability and productivity. For more information, please contact Komori Service.